Thank you for joining in today. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so then you can get notifications on all my weekly art lessons. And this time up, I have another product review. I have a small watercolor set here. This is the Winsor and Newton Cotman watercolors. And it says this is a Skechers pocket box. So this is nice for travel or beginners. And on the back of the box there, it was written in a few different languages as well. And on the little pamphlet here, it says that they are high quality, delivering good transparency, excellent tinting strength, and they do come in half pans and the tubes. For more information, you could check out their website. And then again, it's just written in a few different languages. And as I just showed there are a bunch of colors, and I just put little X's next to the ones that actually came with my kit. And they do come individually wrapped. I opened all mine and then had it all set up for the video. It is really easy to do. You can, if it is optional, you could use like a little sticky dot underneath them if you wanted to keep them in place. And it comes with that small little brush there, which is very nice. It's nice and sleek looking. Definitely great for details. And then if you have a new palette, it's always really nice to go ahead and make your own swatches there. So you can write down the name of each color and then obviously swatch the color. So then you have a reference of what everything will look like when it's dry. Because that definitely happens. The color may look a little bit different. It might look a little duller or brighter. It's good to have those swatches already done up. And the colors that came with this particular kit is the lemon yellow, cadmium red, which is a little bit on the orange side, the crimson, ultramarine, phthalo blue, viridian, which is like a blue-green, the sap green, the yellow ochre, burnt sienna, and then the burnt umber, and the Chinese white was the only one that I didn't swatch because you're not going to be able to see it. So that's definitely a good palette, like I said, for beginners. You're just starting out. Maybe you're not sure if you want to invest in too much at one time. Watercolors can be a little expensive, especially if you're looking into the nicer quality. That's one thing I've learned with watercolor over the years, is that the cheap watercolors really do not perform as well. The cheap paper buckles like crazy. You definitely want a higher pound. But anyways, this is a really nice kit, and I did purchase mine off of Amazon, and it was decent. It was around $24, I think, which isn't bad. And, if you're a member, you can get your, a little bit of a discount in the Amazon Prime free shipping and all of that. So anyways, overall, it was a really great purchase. And you can see there in the swatches how bright and vivid the colors are. And after this, I will go through and show you on a strip how well they blend together as well. thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this review and be sure to check back for more.